tell us what's going on with your daughter?
It's the stuffed animal. I don't know where she found that thing.
Her stuffed animal was eating that food. I think it's alive.
Have you tried separating her from the stuffed animal?
She will not let me take it away from her.
Bro, wake up. Do you hear that?
Dude, I think it's Helen! She's in here! Hello, Lux Army. Thank you so much for 8 million subscribers. We're glad you guys love these videos. So for more, let's try to hit 10 million subs next. And let's hit 100,000 likes for the next episode to be released. So for this episode, we received an email from a mother named Helen who is concerned about her daughter's unhealthy attachment to one of her stuffed animals. Helen isn't sure where her daughter found this stuffed animal, but she refuses to be separated from it, and she named it Wiggles. Her daughter doesn't let the stuffed animal leave her sight, and any attempt the mom has made to separate her from it leads to her screaming hysterically until she's allowed to be with it again. She's worried her daughter is losing her mind, and she sent us this video for proof.
Honey? Oh my God.
Now, Helen mentioned that her husband recently went missing, and she thinks this has caused her daughter to have attachment and abandonment issues. She's worried for her daughter's mental health, so she wants us to drive to her house and observe how her daughter behaves when she's alone with Wiggles. Let's go.
Dude, why do you want to film this lady's daughter? It's just a stuffed animal.
This isn't about a stuffed animal. This is about a young girl's mental health.
What do you know about mental health? It's your parents' job to worry about that.
Her mom is worried. That's why she emailed us. And her dad went missing.
Did you ever think maybe her dad went missing for a reason?
You don't know what you're talking about. Let's just drive there and meet them.
Your destination is on the right.
All right, we're here. Let's go inside and meet them.
All right.
Okay, let's knock. Hi, are you Helen?
Yes, I am she.
Can we come in and talk about what's going on?
Yes, but be quiet. I think my daughter's asleep.
Okay, we'll be quiet. Come on. Okay, Helen, thank you for sitting down with us. So, can you tell us what's going on with your daughter?
It's this stuffed animal. She's grown so attached to it. I don't know where she found that thing. I think she found it in the basement. She calls him Wiggles.
So, what has she been doing with this stuffed animal?
Everything. She plays with it. She sleeps with it. I even caught her bathing with it.
What?
She will not let me take it away from her.
Have you tried separating her from this stuffed animal?
Yes, but she starts screaming and scratching until I return it. Sometimes at night, it sounds like there's a man in there with her. She locks herself in her room with it all day. I'm beginning to think.
Is someone here?
It's her daughter. What is she doing?
She's feeding it again.
Dude, look how much food she has.
That's the 4th time she's done that today.
Bro, I want to see what she's doing with that food.
We're still talking here.
Just wait.
Chester.
I think she went into here.
Hold on. Just wait here. Chester. What's wrong?
Dude, it's her stuffed animal. She's feeding it.
Let me see. What's the problem? She's sleeping.
Bro, you don't understand. She was feeding it, and it was eating.
Dude, she was probably just playing with it. Let's start setting up some cameras.
But bro,
Okay, come on. Okay.
bro, you're not getting it. Her stuffed animal was eating that food. I think it's alive.
Well, even though you're being ridiculous right now, she shouldn't be wasting her mother's food.
What's ridiculous?
Here, help me find a lock. Alright, there. Now there's no way she can get in there again.
She's right there. Why was she peeping at us? I think we upset her.
She's probably just not used to strangers in her house. Let's just go to sleep.
I gotta check something first. I think it's still in here.
What happened? Chester? Hey! What are you doing in here?
Bro, this thing just moved!
Let's just go to bed. Come on.
Please give me food. I need it. Now.
Bro, wake up! Do you hear that?
What is that? Come on, we gotta go check on Ellie.
Bro, no! Wait up! Bro, wait.
Let's go in the room. She's not in here.
Well, where do you think she went?
I think that's Helen! She's in here!
Did that thing get her too?
Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's try to smash 100,000 likes for the next episode to be released. We're on the road to 10 million subs, so make sure to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. The video's over now, so you don't need to keep watching, but here's some footage from our other channel, Luxury Dark. Click the link in the description to watch the full video and subscribe to Luxury Dark. This clone will embody your soul in every way. Whoa! What the hell is that?
I think that's your clone.
Sir, who are you? I'm Parker. We gotta get this weird thing out of the house. It disgusts me. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Remember, let's hit 100,000 likes on this video for the next episode to be released. And thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being part of the Lux Army.